In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to import multi-level folder structures from a file directory using a simple import configuration. Firstly, on the file directory, let's look at a typical scenario. Here I have 4 project files. Each project file has 4 folders, and each folder contains objects that I want to import into HPE Content Manager. To commence, open Sigma Imports. On the menu bar, select Descriptions, copy and edit import description. I'm going to edit the simple import configuration I created earlier. Click on the import description to open the configuration wizard. As I'm not selecting any options, I'm going to click Next to continue. In the Metadata Mapping screen, I'm not going to change any metadata items except for the container metadata source. To do this, I use the Remove button to remove the existing source and use the Add button to select a new source. In this instance, it creates a multi-level foldering record hierarchy. You will note the container metadata has changed to, for each folder level, create a folder using the following record types. As I do not want each folder created as a corporate file, I'm going to remove this record type and use the Add button to select a new record type, which is a subfolder. I also don't want the subfolders to have any additional titling, so I'm going to delete this line. I also want to use a parent record as the container, so I need to check this box. I now need to define the source of the parent record. I'm going to select Prompt in the wizard and check the mandatory box. As I'm not changing any other metadata item, I'm going to click Next to continue. The Cataloguing wizard confirms that I have selected a container as a mandatory prompt in the wizard. Now I'll click Finish. I now need to enter a title for my new configuration. And click OK to save. The next step is to run the import. To do this, on the menu bar, select File, New Import. You will see the new import configuration, which is importing multi-level folders. Click on this to open the Files to Import wizard. In the Directory field, use the Browse button to select the files to import. Then click Next. The Cataloguing wizard requires me to select a container. I'm going to use the Quick Select button to select the parent container. Now I need to click Finish to run the import. Now that the import is finished, I'm going to open Content Manager to view the imported file structure. And here is the parent container with the subfolders and the objects contained within each folder.